gonna do is go wipe my fingers off. But couldn't do that, so. Okay, so here we go. See if they fit. That's it. Let's see. No, that's not it. That would be it. Mhm. That looks okay. Okay. Now let's move over to this side. See if we can screw this side off right away. sit there then. Okay. There you go. That's a good spot for it. Alright. Well, we got the inner axle seals in, we got the front pinion seal in, we need a new nut for the pinion. The nut is just totally screwed up, but the pinion's fine. So we get on the horn and order that new pinion nut, and we're waiting for the axles. So please like and subscribe, guys, and I could use the subscribers, but I won't beg for them, but I do appreciate it when you do, and love all you guys watching this. This is just a common sense type of mechanical situation again, where you can do it in your garage, and you can see I'm not worth millions of dollars here, so I'm not. But otherwise than that, you guys take care. Love to all. Please like and subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye. Until the next video again. There's probably going to be a continuation of this video. It always is. Well, there was. Okay, bye-bye.